In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a questionnaire using Google Forms, whether you're collecting feedback for a project, conducting a survey, or even organizing an event. Google Forms is an incredibly versatile tool that's easy to use. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functional questionnaire ready to be distributed to your respondents. First things first, you'll want to open Google Forms. To do this, go to forms.google.com. Once there, make sure you're signed in with your Google account. It's important to be logged in because that'll give you access to save and manage your forms effortlessly. After you're logged in, you'll see an option to start with a blank form marked with a plus icon, or you can choose from a variety of templates specifically designed for different purposes. Select whichever option suits your needs best, and we'll get started on crafting your questionnaire. Now, once you've chosen your form, it's time to add a title and description. At the top section of the form, you'll find space to type in your questionnaires title. This will help both you and your respondents understand what the form is all about at first glance. Beneath the title, there's a section for a brief description or instructions. Use this space to guide respondents on how to complete your form or provide any necessary context, which can be especially useful in clarifying the purpose of your questionnaire. With your introduction set, let's move on to adding your first question. You'll notice in the untitled question field that Google provides some defaults which we'll edit. Simply click into this field to type your question, whether it's multiple choice, a short answer, or any other type. Make sure it's clear and concise. To the right of the question field, there's a drop-down menu that allows you to select different question types. Options include multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, checkbox, and drop-down, among others. Picking the right type can help ensure you get the responses you need, so choose wisely based on the information you're seeking. Once your questions are added, you'll likely want to review some settings to optimize how you collect the data. Click on the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Here, you can customize different aspects of the form. Options include collecting email addresses, limiting responses to one per user to ensure fairness, showing a progress bar which can enhance the user experience, and even shuffling the question order to minimize response bias. After tweaking your settings, a helpful step is to preview your form before sending it out. Simply click on the eye icon, which lets you see the form as respondents will. It's always a good practice to check for any errors and make sure everything looks just the way you want it. Finally, it's time to share your questionnaire. In the top right corner of your screen, click on Send. You can share your form by copying the URL link, sending it directly via email, or even embedding it on a website. If you're sharing via link, there's a handy shorten URL option that you can click before copying the link to make it more manageable. And that's it! With these steps, you're now ready to start collecting responses with your new Google Form questionnaire.